Welcome to my channel. Today, let's learn about the Japanese abacus called Soroban. It is an amazing tool that makes mental maths faster and fun. Next, what is Soroban? The Soroban is a Japanese version of the abacus, a traditional calculating tool used for additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. Even in today's digital world, children in Japan still learn Soroban to develop concentrations, memory, and mental calculation skills. Now, parts of Soroban. A Soroban has three main parts: the frame, the beads, and the rod. Frame, Waku, the outer body that holds everything together. Rod, Keta, the vertical bars inside the frame, each represents a place value: ones, tens, hundreds, so on. Beads, Tama, the round counter used for calculation. Each rod has 5 beads. One upper bead called Godama and 4 lower beads called Ichidama, each worth 1. Example: number 7. First, we move upper beads towards the center bar. Then we move 2 beads, lower beads toward the center bar. 5, 6, 7, like this. Next, divider bar, this one. The horizontal bar that separates upper beads and lower beads. Now you know the basic parts of Soroban. In the next video, we will learn how to hold and reset the Soroban correctly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more simple Soroban lessons.